So the outside of the hotel where I've been staying, I'm going in for breakfast now. I'm going to enjoy it. I could easily stay another day here. I was in that position to just change things. I would.
I don't know.
Indonesian?
Indonesia?
Yeah.
Indonesia?
You're very happy to live here?
You
like living here?
Yes, I like.
Yeah. Well, look, terima kasih, I think is the only Indonesian.
Okay, terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Matur suwun. In Indonesia, terima kasih matur suwun.
Matur suwun.
In Java, matur suwun.
What's it mean?
Terima kasih.
Right, thank you so much. Appreciate it. Have a great day.
Okay,
Bye-bye. Bye. Yeah, just everywhere. People are so nice here. That's the one great thing about Indonesia. The days are wonderful. There's not much happening at night. So you just have a cruisy, easy night. We're here in the center of town now. I wasn't sure where the center of town was, but we're here now. I stumbled upon it. And it's full of people selling stuff, as one can see. Just noticed all these chilies here. They look rather hot. Can't take them back to Australia, of course, because of the laws, but they look great. Find a way out because it's quite crowded and grimy. But it's the way the local life is. I managed to find a way out. It's fantastic. But I like the look of those chilies. They look really, really hot. We're just starting on the trip on day 6 of the holiday, and we're heading off now to the national park area, then to the airport. But whatever we see on the way, we might stop if there's something good. So you got the rice there.
Yeah, this one. It's called Java.
Rice seed.
So you have to grind so you can peel. If it's dry enough, you can peel it easily. And here it's the rice.
And there's the rice.
Yeah,
you have to pull it out then.
Yeah.
So is that what that lady was doing?
He make sure that the gaba, we call it gaba, is completely dry.
Ah.
It's easier to peel.
So they picked it off the plants.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll just.
They pick up from the plants.
Yeah.
And this is the seeds, the rice seeds.
That's the seed.
Yeah, this is the rice.
Yeah. And that's where it comes from. For the coffee, is it?
Yeah,
cow feed. Ah, okay. And so they pick it up and then feed the cows.
Yeah.
We're just climbing up this steep hill. It's come from down there. And we're going up to the top now to have a look at the view. There's a lot of homestays, park officials that live here. So yeah, we're just doing the last bit of the walk. There's always a charge getting into a park. So it was about 20,000 rupees, which is about 80 cents, I think. We're up. According to the altimeter, we're about 400 meters in height at the moment and going higher. So here I am at the top of the mountain, very close to it anyway. I think there might be a little bit more to the very top, to that area. And looking down at the view here, there's a nice cool breeze. First cool breeze I felt in a while. Let's see over to the ocean. So we're in the south part of Java and we can see the ocean over there clearly, plus the lake before the hills, and then if we look out there, there's the ocean. This has definitely seen better days than it has now. So you can see everything's pretty run down, overgrown. There are lookouts. I don't know what that is down there, but look at this. But no one comes here anymore. Even though they charge, there's no maintenance whatsoever in this area. So there's the cemetery there.
Yeah.
And you were saying there's two types of mosques, is that correct?
It is. Only the buildings. The one
So
is,
the green one is...
The green one, NU.
NU?
NU or Nahdlatul Ulama.
Mm-hmm.
And usually blue or other colors is for Muhammadiyah.
Yeah. Down to the beach very soon, so it'll be the southern coast of Java, and it's a lovely warm afternoon. I like it better here than up on the top of the mountain. If I go over here, we can see the rice. It's all nice and wet. So just going down into the village area. I love the colours of the houses, and they have little cars. And yeah, just rather nice. Some kids over there. The chimes, the coconut leaves. Car up there.
Baruka.
Yeah, up there.
Yeah.
Yeah, hot.
Yeah.
Yeah, so nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Bye bye. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Hi.
How did you enjoy today? Did you enjoy the trip with me?
I do enjoy much this trip. It's a new thing for me to go that place I never been.
To that national park?
Yeah, the national park and then the dam area.
Yeah.
The street is quite fascinating.
Yeah, it was. And yeah, lovely weather as well. The weather is perfect in my opinion. But you did tell me you forgot your hat, and I know what that's like when I forget the hat. And so you've had to stay in the shade, right?
Yeah, because I have less hair than most normal people do. Then I have to stay in the shade. So
Or wear a hat.
Yeah.
And I love the coconut juice. They just split open the top and you drink from the coconut. And everyone's enjoying dinner here in this very nice place. And over there they're cooking.
The reason behind they built the terminal is so high because just in case if there's any tsunami, there's still a high ground in here.
Yeah, because everyone would be very conscious of the tsunami after the terrible one in Sumatra. Okay, I'm through customs, check in, all of that stuff. And I'm on the way to my gate to take my domestic flight in Indonesia from Yogyakarta to Jakarta. And there is a coffee shop here, nice. Boarding's not till 2:40, so I'm here in plenty of time. I love these paintings, love them. Particularly that one. And then there's some lovely rural pictures. I'm just looking out at the airport now, window, back at where I was earlier, over there, the other side of the top mountains. And in the distance, way over the back area there, looking through the window here, and going to fly out very soon. We're here at the airport in Jakarta, and I've checked in the bag. Everything's off to Sydney. Stopped up for a meal. This is the first course. Rather nice. Beer is what I'm really enjoying.